picking up our 2024 Grenadier, and Ben's gonna drive out of the garage any moment, so hang on. Taking delivery on the new Grenadier.
Definitely not done anything like this before.
Woo! Thanks.
What do you think?
I think it rocks. Are you ready to go? Taking the Grenadier home.
Long time.
Here we
Look,
go.
there we are. You go here, the arty farty. You can get us in the mirror.
Oh, if I can't turn it around. No, but I can't because we're doing it.
You're doing a selfie.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a camera around.
I can't do it while it's on.
You can't flip it.
No, not while you're taking a video.
Oh, that's stupid.
Here we are driving in it.
They talk about the steering, and I'll tell you, like,
It's annoying.
no,
It doesn't feel like it's powerful.
no, it's not that. It's got plenty of.
Where are you going?
I don't know where I'm going. Thank you.
Where did we go after our Grenadier?
I don't know.
Where else?
I don't know where it was. It's not the first time I've waited for a car or had a deposit on a car when it was due to come out, and you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting. Clearly, for all of us that put reservation money down on the INEOS Grenadier when it came out, it's a strange kind of a feeling now to be in the car. Like you've waited for it, you've watched it, you've been envious of the people who. There's that reminder. I'm over the speed limit on the on-ramp. You're watching people use the car overseas where they were testing it, kind of like, oh, that'd be awesome. I wish I could be driving it, testing it. And now you're in it. It's kind of fun. It's like here it is. It's real. Like it's manifested itself